Basketball I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, and you know I'm here to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed in the gym each and every single day for the game we love to play. So let's get to work. And so with this work, I want you to remember we're going to start our warm-up now with that layup series, okay? So we are driving to the rim, we're finishing our regular layup, driving to the rim, we're jump stop, we're laying it up, then we're inside hand layup, reverse inside hand layup, and then an outside hand layup. So this series we're going to do 2 times today each. It gets you a little tired just because of the variation of different layups, and it's going to be quite a few layups, but always good to warm that up. Then I want to go with the drill that we newly introduced to you yesterday, and that'll be on the go. Okay, that on the go drill is important because it is going to help you become a little bit faster, a little bit quicker, and get that extra step you need to maybe get that pass off, get that shot off, or even help you with a counter dribble due to the momentum you have going one way. So we will do that drill 4 times, and you're just gonna give me layups in this on the go drill. I don't need any jump shots or floaters right now. I just want you to understand the pace of it and how to rip through it even when you're catching it on the go. All right, it's a very good drill, useful for anything in regards to the half court set. All right, now looking at more driving, we want to drive from the top. We're gonna need to refresh our minds on those moves, and remember we got our in and out, and then we have our secondary defender there, so we want to make sure we're working moves outside of the cone. So we can go in and out, stop and go. We can go in and out, in and out. We can go in and out with the shift of the hips and then go forward, okay? And then we have our other moves up top, crossing over, as well as going through the legs, okay? So working on those moves. Then after we make 3 layups each, when doing the counter dribble as well as the change of speed dribble, we want to make sure we're doing it on both sides. After we do it on both sides, we are then going to go to our 5-spot layup drill, okay? Our 5-spot layup drill is just another form of conditioning, but also getting the layups in, okay? I want you to go full speed on the move, jog back to get a little bit more rest, and then full speed again. So I want you to give max effort this time when you are going for your layup, and then try to take a little bit more time when you're rest jogging back. Is that clear, basketball you? I hope that is clear for you. And we're only gonna do the drill 1 time, but you can't miss any layups. So good luck with that. If you miss layups, you start over. You make the drill as long as you wanna make it based on your success rate of making layups. Then we're gonna go to that free throw line and we're going to shoot 5 free throws. Let's make them, okay? Go ahead and grab a drink of water. I'm sure you're thirsty. Today, I want to work our baseline to baseline, wing to wing, and I wanna make 5, okay? 5 each, so 10 total, okay? I want you making sure you're sprinting after that basketball so you can start to feel a little bit of the fatigue as you shoot throughout the drill. And I want it continuous. Once you make your 5, I want you to go right wing to wing. I don't want you to stop in between. I don't want you to rest, because I want to see if you can make those shots when being tired towards the end of the drill, okay? And that we're only going to do 1 time, all right? And then another shooting drill that we're going to do today is we're going to shoot around the world, all right? Around the key or around the world. And we are going to make 5 shots at each spot. You just have to make 5, no swishes, no banks, no rules, okay? Just make 5 shots and move to the next spot. And you're only gonna go around once. So you're not gonna go around and then go back around again. Then what I would like to go into shooting threes around the perimeter. Okay, it's like an around the world, but with just threes. Okay, so you'll be doing that one as well today. And then I'm interested in seeing you shoot the form shooting with the bank shots. So you're going to be shooting bank shots. We're going to go three sets of 3. And you're going to, go back each time you make it just to work on that angle, work on that touch. A bank shot is a lost art, so we want to make sure that we stay fine-tuned in that. All right. And last but not least in our shooting, I would want you to shoot 3 star drills. Okay, so in those 3 star drills, I need you to make at least 2 of the 3 free throws at the end of the drill. So until you get that second free throw made on the second time around, you don't stop. Okay, so it has to be at least 2 made free throws after the star drill. All right, so good luck in your shooting. Work hard and continue to work on the mental toughness aspect of the game when you get tired. And if you don't know what mental toughness is, be sure to check out our episode that we've just posted about mental toughness. It'll let you understand more of yourself and you as a player. And then we can't leave here without a little bit of agility work and conditioning. So with our agility work, we are going to do our 3 cone drills. We're going to hop on 1 foot over the 3 cone drills. We're going to do high knee tuck jumps. We are also going to do shuffling over the cones. And then we are going to do our W drill as well. And after doing all of those, I want you to also get into our quick feet drill, where we're going just quick feet around the cones. And then we are going to run 3 liners. Oh yeah, the liners are back. All right. And then after the 3 liners, remember the time frame is 36 seconds. We are then going to dribble our 10 side liner countdown. Okay, so I've cut down to 17s because you've been running a lot today already. So now we're going to go 10s. So remember, you're going to go 10, then you're going to go 8, then you're going to go 6, then you're going to go 4, then you're going to go 2. But you're dribbling the ball with your left hand the entire time. Okay? So basketball U, that is what we are going to do today. And that is it for me, the Daily Trainer. And I know you're asking for it, so I'm going to give it to you. Where's the extra work at? So the extra work today will be ball wraps and 2 ball dribbling. So if you want to get that extra work in, feel free to do any combination with 2 balls dribbling, or you can do the ball wraps. Okay? Whatever you do, these drill will be for 5 minutes. Okay? So straight 5 minutes of just straight ball wraps, or 5 minutes straight of just 2 ball dribbling, any combination that you like. Basketball U, I hope you put that extra work in, because I'm ready to put some extra work in and some extra time in. And the reason why is, remember, someone's always working. Are you?